In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a review link to your Google business profile, a simple process that could greatly enhance your business's online presence and customer engagement. First, let's begin by heading to business.google.com. This is your gateway to managing and optimizing your business's presence on Google. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll notice a sign in button. Clicking on this will prompt you to log in. Use your Gmail account or the email associated with your business profile. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself directly transported to your business page, which saves a bit of time and gets you straight into the action. Now, if that's not the case and you need another method to access your page, a quick alternative is to go to Google Search. Simply type in your business name or My Business and hit enter. This will take you to a search result page where you can easily access your business dashboard. Once on your Google business dashboard, look for an option titled Ask for More Reviews. This is usually found under the Customers section or possibly under Reviews. Clicking on it will open a pop-up menu that presents you with a handful of very handy options for requesting reviews from your customers. Within this menu, you have three primary methods to consider. The first option involves sharing your business review and ratings page via integrated email, WhatsApp, or Facebook buttons. These options provide seamless sharing capabilities, connecting directly to the corresponding platform, which is a great way to get quick feedback. Your second option is even more straightforward if you prefer direct communication. Here you will see an icon allowing you to copy a pre-made link. Click on this copy icon and the link to your review page will be ready to paste into an email or a message to your customers, allowing them to easily access your review section. Lastly, there's a very innovative QR code feature available. Scroll down a touch from your options menu and you'll spot a pre-made QR code. This QR code can be sent to your customers in a variety of formats or even printed on materials. When scanned, this code directs customers straight to the review section of your Google business page. It's a modern and very effective tool to encourage customer feedback, especially for in-person transactions where you can easily offer a QR code right at the point of sale. With these options, you are well equipped to encourage customer engagement through reviews, an essential step in boosting your business's online reputation and credibility. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tools as useful as I have in enhancing your customer outreach and interaction.